Hi guys, how are you guys doing today? In this video, I am going to talk about how to get better at the things that you want to do, be it your hobby, your interest, or anything that you want to accomplish, but on the surface, it seems impossible to be accomplished. So today in this video, I am going to break that down just for you. Very often, a lot of things that we want to pursue in our life seem so intimidating on the surface. For example, getting a good body shape, learning a new instrument, or even just starting a new YouTube channel. The reason behind all this intimidation is because we were always convinced that in order to bring forth massive amount of change or even accomplish great thing in our life, it requires a great amount of effort and also time being invested into it. But that's not really the case. We don't have to be practicing 24/7 in order to learn how to play a guitar, and we don't necessarily have to be listening to the same old podcast over and over again, day in and night out, in order to learn a new language. But rather, what we have to do is to make sure we are constantly improving. Or to be more precise, we need to make sure that we are improving by 1% each day. For example, let's say you are picking up a new instrument and let's say it's a guitar. Make sure that in every single practice sessions you pick up a new chord. Or in another example, let's say if you are learning a new language, then you have to make sure that you learn at least one new vocab every time you put in the time and effort to practice your new language. And yes, this is the concept proposed by James Clear, the author of Atomic Habit. In his book, he explained why little effort can be compounded into a massive outcome. In his book, James Clear proposed that all we have to do is just to make sure we get ourselves improved by 1% each day. Let's say if we are willing to put in the effort in order to get ourselves improved by 1% each day for the next 365 days, by the end of the year, we would have already improved by 37% on the things that we want to improve on. On the other hand, if we did not put in the effort that we were supposed to put in even just by 1% each day, then by the end of the year, we would have already lost whatever that we have acquired in the past. So, if you are willing to put in the effort into mastering the craft that matters to you, eventually you will be able to master that thing. On the other hand, if you do not put in the effort into practicing or even repeating the actions that you need to be repeating every single day, then eventually you will lose everything that you have already acquired in your life. I remember when I first just started my YouTube career, I really had zero idea on how to shoot a video, zero idea on how to really edit my video using a proper video editing software. Therefore, I decided to just break it all down and learn everything step by step on YouTube. I remember when I first started, I would really binge watch all the video uploaded by Ali Abdal to really imitate the way that he positioned his camera and of course, the way that he spoke with his, British accent. But also, I would watch video posted by video influencer to really learn how to shoot my video footages, and of course other channels on YouTube to learn how to edit my video footages on Movie Premiere. As I was uploading more and more content and video onto my YouTube channel, I realized that my video gets better compared to the previous video. Because whenever I'm shooting my video and also editing the video, I would always focus on one aspect that I would like to improve on. Let's say editing, I would always make sure that I put in new elements of editing into my video, be it adding more video footages, adding more B-roll, adding more Photoshop, or adding just stickers onto my video to really entice my audience and also hopefully let them understand my point a little bit better. However, ever since I have stopped posting video onto my YouTube channel, I realized that my editing skills has become so bad. To a certain extent, I've even forgot some very simple editing skill, for example, how to insert caption onto my video. Therefore, whatever James Clear had proposed in his book is really true. If you do not practice on the skills that you want to master, then eventually you will lose everything that you have already acquired in your life. So don't ignore the importance of small effort, because all these little things in life will compound together and give us amazing results. Hopefully moving forward, I will be able to improve on my video shooting and also editing skills so that I can produce content as cool as what Matt Davila had been producing all this while. And that's all I have for you guys today. Let's say if you find this video interesting, remember to give this video a thumbs up, and also if you find psychology and self-improvement content something that you are interested in, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button because more and more content is coming up your way. Till then, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye!